too long with braking.
Who's the can?
Resulted in a skid in such road conditions.
Okay, so we got brake lights up ahead. Give yourself a better line of sight. Move over to the left or the right of the thing. Oh, a little bit of a panic. Loss of retraction on that left tire, or I'm sorry, rear tire, which is going to be a lot of rear brake. Panicked. Person probably slowed down because of the speed hump, and it's a traffic for pedestrians. And look at, they get to take off, and you're over here dealing with this stuff. So pay attention. Make sure you plan your ride a little bit better. We talk about this in that Smart Rider basic training course that we do have. Guys, come on, set up a little bit better. It's fine. Mistakes happen. We're learning from them. Front braking in the wet corner ends like this. Yeah, don't front brake too much. That looked like a lot of front brake, unless there was just something out there that knocked his tire off the ground, like ice or oil. That had to have been a lot of front brake.
Donc on est passé entre deux voitures pour aller s'arrêter.
Okay, cutting through.
Mais
very careful with this. People don't know better. Ooh, I've seen that pretty. That was a whiskey throttle issue. So your feet don't help. So he's gonna have left shoulder injuries.
Du coup, ce qui s'est passé,
he's probably gonna be guarding a little bit. Not very good. Not very good. We do have rescue kits for that. We can do some bleeding control. Whoa! Hey, his high vis is what saved his life. His high vis too. And his. Alright. Moving on. So, side of the vehicle. Oh, no. No. That was just a big mistake. And it just sucks. Terrible situation.
He had little time to react, but luckily he was able to put the bike down. Despite this, the impact was so strong that the biker still has a problem with walking.
He probably broke his femur. That amount of pain looks like he broke his femur. That left leg looks a little deformed, unless that's stuff in his pockets. Let's see where he guards. Ooh. This is a very severe incident. This is life-threatening. This is life-threatening. We'll talk about that when we get back to it. Alright, so Honda CBR 600R high side crash. We're going to have a high side, very violent type of crash. Let's go ahead and put this on the screen so you know what we're talking about. High sides are very, very painful. You get ejected, and all the momentum and forces are transferred to you. So it's no buenos. So daily rides. Okay, having some fun. We got a crest of a hill coming up. At least that's what it looks like. Probably a turn right afterwards. And there it is, crashing. So you can actually see it, guys. Crest of the hill. It's the road disappears. Slow it down until you can see the rest of the road. It's very simple. We're going too fast. We're not paying attention to the road. We're not reading the road at all. At all. Father Asbestos, how you doing? Side of the vehicle, nice swerve, nice evasive maneuver, very, very, very good. Got himself out of there. So Miguel Higgins Moy going through.
Of how dangerous loose-lying small objects on the road can be for the bikers.
Small objects, so we got road surface hazards, we got a stop sign here. Hopefully we don't have oil on the road, which is, what got you? What got you? Couldn't even see it myself. And that's one of those things, if just something happens, this is why we acquire and use personal protective equipment, full gear, because sometimes we just can't stop. We can't do something, and we crash. Hopefully we mitigate the injuries by having full gear on. Might have stopped like on a piece of metal. That's like my biggest fear when like running over a cone when I'm doing my Smart Rider drills, but we got some pretty damn nice cones that we're going to be putting up on the shop real soon that kind of solved that problem for me. There it is.
Yeah, I'm alright.
There it is. Sorry about that, Miguel.
In the street.
Oh,
Locked
really?
up my front tire.
And it just slipped?
Yeah. Thanks for stopping. I'm
Yeah,
okay.
no problem.
Damn, that sucks.
Right.
Yeah.
Hey, that's all he cares about is glad he's alright. Alright, motorcycle crash, loses it in the corner, adrenaholic. Sharp corner, so slow it down. Look far ahead, adjust that speed, maintain good throttle control, relax, and keep looking through the turn. Now, did your buddy do that?
That's down. Turn around.
His buddy didn't do it. His buddy didn't do it.
Straight forward, straight forward.
Alright, so what are we going to do? We're going to rescue our buddy. Remember, remain calm, ensure our own safety. We got traffic here. We have to stop any major bleeds, so check his body for major bleeds. Quickly assess the severity. Now, these cards are available for all crew members at the MTC Rider Academy, but these come with your rescue pack if you ever buy one. So, grab yourself a rescue pack just in case something. You can put it right there, in the net. Just in case. We have tourniquets, splints, everything in there. Some insect ended up in my right eye, so I decided to stop. Perfect. You need to stop because you're messing with it. You're not looking forward. You're focused on this. It sucks. Fuck, that sucks. That sucks. That sucks. Hopefully he's doing fine.